What's up, you guys? I am flying out to New York today. My flight literally was delayed for about an hour now, but I'm about to go to New York. It's lit. Ain't no delay that's gonna deny me, okay, baby? So we about to get on this plane. My flight leaves at 7:49. It is now 5:51. I'm about to go to my little sis apartment and have her take my car and drop me to the airport. There is like a flood in New York. There's a big flood and a flash flood warning going left and right. Everybody's recording and putting it on Instagram how bad the rain is over there. So that's why they delayed my flight. But the Lord is my shepherd, man. I know they're gonna try to push us to New York. All right, just a quick story time. I remember I was on a plane and the pilot went through a black cloud and he had to come on the speaker because he dropped the plane, y'all. The plane went woo, and it was like, ooh, it was like that gasp, loud, people yelling. The plane went down for a long time. I forgot where I was going because I'm always flying somewhere, but it was one of my trips. I would never forget that day. I think I was flying with JetBlue or American Airlines, I can't remember, but the plane dropped for like about 5 minutes straight, like a roller coaster. And the pilot was like, I'm sorry, but I had to drop the plane to a safety level. I'm so sorry, it came unexpectedly and blah blah blah. I don't know, I thought, God is my witness, I was scared. That's all I'm gonna say. But I just hope that we fly in peace and we get to New York in one piece, you know. I miss my family a lot, so I'm so happy I'm about to go see them. Of course, I'm gonna vlog while I'm there, even though New York is so hectic. New York is fast-paced, it's hectic, it's a lot of people, it's a lot of noise, so it's gonna be kind of hard, but I'm gonna make it do what it do, especially for you. Oh, I want to start writing poems, y'all, because I be rhyming sometimes. But let's go to New York and let's see what this weekend brings. Mwah. So I just landed at LaGuardia Airport, and LaGuardia Airport is so gorgeous. Like, they upgraded this airport really good, you guys. It's a really big airport. It's super clean. I landed at 12 a.m. I'm in New York and my friends are like, let's go out for drinks. So guess what? That's what we're doing. They're outside waiting for me. Hello! Yo, the inside is really pretty. I couldn't believe it, like, ecstatic. It's crazy. So different from JFK now.
Davis party's tomorrow or Sunday?
It's Sunday now. It was supposed to be tomorrow.
The rain?
Yeah, but I don't see no rain. Everybody talk about rain.
Nah, it was crazy.
Like here was flooded too?
Oh no, I don't know. I was at work. Everybody's phone was like, oh, take shelter, don't go outside.
I saw the news, so I'm like, hey y'all, I'm with my friend T. Oh my gosh, I miss you so much. Oh my gosh. Thank you for picking me up.
You definitely from Houston now.
Yes.
That's disgusting.
I'm a Houston girl now. I'm a Houston babe. It's over. Nah, I can't wait till you move out there, girl. I know you've been thinking about it.
Alright.
I need to get all my friends to move to Houston. But we about to go out and get some drinks and catch up a little bit. I'm excited. She came to pick me up from the airport. Thank you so much. We're going to a place called 718. That used to be our spot. So
cute little bar.
About to bring back so many memories. Yeah. So I'll see y'all there. Bye.
More life, more health, more wealth. Congratulations.
Yeah. That is a cute though.
You can't even see me. Cause all that is need is be on you. I'm just saying like me. Yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll see my world with you. You take some time. Take yourself to me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. You need you could have all the space. Oh, baby, there's no pressure. If you got time to waste it, baby. And I ain't worried about you. Girl, you are that I see. And I am who I am.
Guys, I'm with the girls. And y'all want to say hi to the vlog?
Yeah.
Hi guys. But we playing games right now, y'all. We at a hotel. We just vibing. There is no liquor, so it's a no liquor night. We're just chilling. I'm gonna cut you out. But they say hi. And yeah, we about to play charades next. That's gonna be fun. There's no liquor.
No, it's Talia's turn. Take a fun.
I say you look at my hair. I was trying to look at
Yeah.
flavor. Thank you. So my sister tried to play me. Now draw 4.
Yikes.
What color?
Yeah, color.
For the next person.
Oh, true.
Green. And you have to, if I
What's up
have
with you with this green? Nobody got that. You got all the greens.
good.
Green.
This on the top. I know I should have played that shit, bro. I'm trash at this game. Alright. You gonna keep handing me cards? Yeah. I got a good one too. I got something for y'all.
Alright, so what's the color Diana for real?
Green.
Green. Alright, pick your place. Alright.
Running out of space.
I found the keys to my mama's house. It's lit. Oh my god, I need to fix my makeup. I'm about to open the door. Let me say hi to my mom. Mommy. Yeah. It's on the phone. Oh my gosh, I'm home. Y'all, so I'm at Burlington right now because I'm trying to find my niece a gift because I'm at Green Acres Mall, y'all. Green Acres Mall, Valley Stream, New York. And I haven't been over here in so long. These kids are so loud, but it's so cluttered. I want to get her something cute. I don't know, like I'm looking at. And so I want to get her like a cute little bag. Maybe she could wear to school since school started and all that. And it's her birthday. It's like, look at the store, y'all. It's so much going on. The store is bad, and then it's Saturday, so to get in here is a lot. It's a lot of traffic. It's just so much going on. He's having a daughter. It's so cute. He's having a daughter. This is my friend, y'all, and
we used to be together.
Now we're like best friends.
Now we're best friends. It's a laptop.
It's a laptop case. Oh, she do have an iPad. She could throw her iPad in there. That's cute. This is what he chose. This is so cute. She could put her iPad in here because she love her iPad. And then it comes with like a pin and all these cute things inside.
It has an iPad charger.
Also. It got an iPad charger?
Yeah, and a headphone.
Oh, and a headphone.
What's up, beautiful people? It's the next day, and today is the big day. It is my niece's birthday party at the house. Right now, we are just finishing up some little pieces. I have to fly out tonight, so I'm tight. Anyways, we're just finishing up, putting some decorations up. And as I was doing that, I see the kids outside painting. You guys are so creative. Like, they just grabbed their own paints and just... Look at this, y'all. They did all of this by themselves. Who idea was this?
Mine.
It was?
Yeah.
All right, give me 5. Nice. So what you guys have here?
You have a shark.
You have a shark?
Uh-huh. Whoa.
Oh, there's a bee. Okay, let me see your shark.
Let's go. Get in the corner. Where doesn't get us.
So he has a shark. Oh, RJ got the lion. Do you know what that say right there, RJ?
Roar.
Oh, they so creative. Oh my goodness, I wish I was doing this with them because I love to paint.
Are they? Yeah. It's so.
You guys say hi. Wave at the subscribers. She's so beautiful. We got RJ. Wave at the subscribers. RJ.
Oh, hey.
And then we got LA. So cute.
Whoa.
I love this trio, you guys. We gotta move quick because I have to leave today and it's so sad. But I'll be back next month for Thanksgiving and my camera is dying. But this was fun and I think I'm gonna close the vlog out here. My mom is cooking. I'm gonna try to add a little bit more maybe when I get in the house, but I think I'm gonna close it out here. We gotta bring out the speaker, play some music. She's making a lot of food in there. We're also ordering food, Haitian patties, macaroni. Do that face again. Do that face again. Y'all saw the face she just made. She was like, girl, macaroni. She was like, macaroni? Did you say macaroni? Not my favorite. Y'all, the planes are so low out here in Queens. It feels good to be home, I'm not gonna lie, but I go back to Texas and I'm just so excited because I kind of miss it. You hear the nonsense? When I used to live here, I had to deal with all these loud noises. Every time a plane go by, I have to like get quiet and then start filming again. It's just so loud over here. I just remember every time I used to film, I had to like stop talking and then come back because the planes would be so low, or like there's a car that's super loud. I don't gotta deal with that in Texas no more. I'm just so happy to be in Texas and doing something new. And I just want to motivate whoever's watching this to get out of your comfort zone and do something different. I love you all, and let's have a party. So, what you gotta say?
My favorite food is Chinese.
Is not macaroni? I thought it was macaroni this whole time.
That's my second favorite food.
You used to like macaroni a lot. When you was a baby. It's the eye rolling for me. Hey, let me see your face. Very nice. I know, but you walk by me. Ooh, birthday girl. Yeah, so pretty. Mercedes. Yes, yeah. Simone, where you at, boo? love you. Do you mind if I record you? Do you mind? Okay.
It's almost done though.
I know.
Shut up, because you're the first one. Apple. Very good. So, how many of you like fruits just like me? Yeah? Love fruits. So randomly, what I want you to do is, out of all that mango, kiwi, orange, pear, did I miss one? Banana. You're going to choose one. Listen to me. Look at me. Good. Just choose one. Any one you want real quick, just choose it. Choose it. All right. It was a random choice. It was a random choice. She chose. I don't know if it's kiwi, banana. I don't know what it is. But what is it? Show it to everybody so they can see it. Apple. Everybody say apple. Apple. All right. Very good. What I want you to do is watch this. Go right over there. And I'm going to give you a magic wand real quick. Now remember this. This says apple, right? Take this magic wand and just not having anybody see. Just go like this, okay? That's going to give me power. Everybody say power. Everybody say apple. In a moment, I'm going to take something out of my pocket. But I need you to use your imagination. Everybody say imagination.
Imagination.
I don't want you to think about the color yellow. Do not think about the color yellow. Don't do it. Don't think about the color yellow. Did you think about the color yellow?
No.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
No.
Think about it. Think about it. As a matter of fact, now think about the color yellow. Now you got it. Yes? All right. When you have the color yellow, just put it right here. Just put it right here. Just put it right there. Just put it right there. That's right. Say yellow.
Yellow.
Everybody say yellow.
Yellow.
Just say yellow.
Yellow.
Very good. When you have the color yellow, I want you just to turn it with your imagination into a lemon. Everybody say lemon.
Lemon.
Just turn it into a lemon. I want you to use your imagination and smell the lemon just like this. And with your mind's eye, just smell the lemon. Just like that. We're going to do something. We're going to cut. One ahead, Judy. One ahead, Robbie. One ahead.